Hello again. I know, it's been a while, but, oh, you know? Yeah, you know. Right. Anyway, we're back, doing bits on the old project bike. Still wrapping my stickers. And, yeah, what we're going to do today, or what I've already started doing even, is changing the gear oil. This is what I'm putting in it. A nice Sport 80W90 by everyone's favourite, sort of. And that's going to go in there. I've already emptied it out. As you can see, it's not looking too clever. I don't know if it's ever been done, but it's looking like it's got a lot of grey in there. It's really nasty looking stuff. So that's come out. The bolts are in pretty good nick. They're all rusty, but the underneaths look nice. There we are. Yeah, this is how I do it. I've got a bit of a sneaky method for it, really. What I do is, so under here, as you probably already know, let me grab my light. There we are. So just there, that's the drain bolt. I've undone that, drained all the gear oil out into the DIY oil can. Very handy thing to use. And then, yeah, that's the filler one there. You can tell it's the filling screw because it's slightly larger than these other two. They're both 8mm, that's the 10. And there's little kind of gasket washer things on there. And yeah, that keeps your oil in. So, my secret method to filling up my gear oil, it's a bit of a cheapo way because I don't have any like tubes, and this bottle of oil doesn't have like, I can't open it with one hand, but that bottle of oil doesn't have this little spout that comes out the top, so I can't just kind of poke it on and fill it up. So what I've done is butchered my Indian takeaway, and that is going to turn into a funnel that fits perfectly in my bolt hole. Ta-da! Then it opens up the top there, and then I've leant the bike over ever so slightly, just so I can kind of fill it and lift that, so it all kind of runs in. So I've just got it leant over a tiny bit. So what I'll do is I'll put a bit in, and then I'll stand the bike up, like dead upright, see if any leaks out of the hole again. And that's kind of how you tell that you've got enough in there. And it's as simple as that, really. So all I'm going to do is start pouring that in, standing it up periodically. Okay, so that's the gear oil changed. Easy as that, really. I did notice just there that it does say 0.11 litre. So I did put just over 100ml in there. It seems to be like just the right amount. The method worked really well. I just bent the bike over, as you saw, filled it up nice and easy. Then my camera cut out for some strange reason, but that's that sorted. Oh yeah, with these bolts, be sure to replace the gaskets because they do tend to wear down quite easy. It's just good practice as well to have some nice fresh ones on there. But besides that, there's not really much else to say. Got everything cleaned up now, so that's all good. Only one tiny puddle. Can't complain. And I've just whacked the battery on charge for now, because I'm intending to give it a start up. I will be doing an update video soon, so stay tuned for that, because I've actually done some bits kind of up this end again. And a whole bunch of stuff off camera because I've been kind of busy with work and that, so I ain't really had the chance to film much. Just kind of got the odd 10 minutes to sort of throw at the thing. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. Just a very quick update. Do be sure to drop a like, subscribe, any comments as well. I always appreciate them. Suggestions are always great. You know, little bits and pieces, anything at all. And yeah, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks very much.